to my channel Online Media. Please subscribe my channel for the latest news and updates. China-Taiwan annexation anticipation plan. Taiwan's independence stubborn molecule list created, announced after the birth of the Biden administration. Xi Jinping Senator led by the Chinese Communist Party regimes was found to be preparing a hardline policy within an eye Taiwan annexations. It is said that it is making a list of the Taiwan's independence stubborn elements that are subject to swears, sanctions and cases. Several Hong Kong media reported pursuing the responsibility for life. Do you invited to drive the Taiwan's which emphasize the freedom, democracy, human rights and the rules of law, not only with the military powers but also with the threats. China-Xi leaderships and indicate at the close relationships between the Taiwan's the Tsai Ing-wen administrations, which does not recognize the one China principles, and the U.S. administrations of Donald Trump. This time it seems that it is targeting the people who oppose the China positions inside and outside Taiwan. According to the Chinese Hong Kong newspaper officials gazette, the persons on the list includes the National Division's crime stipulated by the criminal law. The 2005 Anti-National Division's law aimed at preventing the Taiwan independence, and 2015 there is a risk of being accused of violating the national security law. According to the Hong Kong newspaper South China Morning Post, a listing has been under the considerations for the 2 years, but U.S. Secretary of the State Mr. Mike Pompeo said on the 12th that Taiwan is not part of China. It was decided to implement it in response to what was done. It is expected to be announced after the birth of the next U.S. administration. The Chinese Communist Party newspapers The People's Daily, a Global Times said in the editorials on the 17th, will not be able to step on the land of the Hong Kong, Macau and the mainlands, and visiting the other countries will be a dangerous trip. I wonder if the foreigners are listed. They may be the detained when they enter the China. In the US presidential elections, it is reported that the former Vice President Joe Biden, who is said to be the pro-Chinese, will be elected. After the birth of the Biden administration, China is in danger of expanding its hegemony at once. Welcome to my channel Online Media. Please subscribe my channel for the latest news and updates.